On behalf of Adobe and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around mission critical IT trends to anticipate in 2021, where Adobe's Wayne Bird, an account executive for the U.S. Air Force, and Yasser Salim, a principal solutions consultant, will discuss the topic of workflow automation, its importance over the last year, and what we can expect to see in 2021.
All right. Well, thank you both again for joining me today. We're going to be talking about how workflow automation has influenced the federal workspace this year and how it will continue to do so in 2021, along with highlighting some of Adobe's examples. So can you two first kind of dive into a breakdown of what workflow automation is and what its main components are? And I can go ahead and pass it along to Wayne first.
As you know, Adobe's been doing, workflows and workflow automation for a while. And it's funny when you talk to certain customers, a lot of times they see automation, they think you're talking like robotics or something like that. But at least to me, workflow automation to us, when Yasser and I are doing initial discovery calls, is just, it's not as much us doing the talking, it's more the customer doing the talking. We get them to talk about their workflow, their activities, we'll call them. Because basically what Yasser and I and what workflow automation is to us is we're sitting there trying to identify which of those activities that they're talking about are repeatable to us. We're trying to lay out the steps and see where things are going. Because as we listen to them, we're starting to discover, okay, yeah, that's manual and possibly a decision needs to be made there. But where we really see workflow automation is on repeatable activities that we can automate, that are automatic. So basically, to me, workflow automation is just a set of repeatable activities that we can code around that build a complete process.